We'll just give it a sec for 30 more seconds maybe for people to come in a little bit. Yeah, what's up, Bruno? How's it going, man? All right, well, we can start the live. It's kind of weird. I was expecting a lot more this morning than what is really going on. So I'm gonna run through quickly what I had on watch for today from last week, as well as some of the gappers. So let me know if audio is good, everything's good. If there's any issue, just hit me up in the comment so I can know that. Okay, so obviously runners from yesterday or from Friday and stuff and last week. I'm just gonna go through these levels quick so that you guys know, and then I'm gonna move on to the gappers. So Sun W. Here, just looking for any kind of pops really into 250, 280s, 380s, 490s. You just look at the chart and just kind of the levels where it's had support and resistance, and that's going to be your starters. Basically, yeah, just starters up until the last would be 490s, and then scale once confirmed backside or anything over that would be where I cut it in risk. Peg, same exact thing. Looks like we are getting close to a starter possibly here in the close to the $6 range. So but we got about $6, $6.50 and $7.50 as the levels that I'm interested in playing. Risk over that and out. SPI, again, these are all basically the same exact setup. There's a lot more levels on this one. This one has a lot more range. So with SPI, you can't just add, starting from $12 and add until $25. That's obviously not going to work. That's way too much range. So what I like to do is, I'll take a starter into the first level. Once it confirms, then I'll scale in. If it holds this level, keeps going, you cut it and restart higher. Kind of wait to see if it tops out at the next level. If it tops out at the next level, scale in again, and kind of do that all along, all the way up until I would say 24. If it gets above 24, obviously there's very little chance that it ever does that today, but I'm just saying if it does, then that could be a good long entry if it consolidates over that level. Pola, same thing. Just looking, if you look left, you got hey, what's up, Gerald, bro? How you doing? Good to see you in. Are you in the room this morning? I don't think you're signed in yet. Anyway, oh, you are? Sweet, nice. Okay. Pola actually looking like it's just hitting these levels as of right now, which is nice. I'm actually thinking of taking a starter here. If we can get a push to 350, then I'm gonna take a starter. And if this happens on broadcast or on live, then that'd be cool. But I do have these levels set out here, but I want it just a little bit higher. Just because it hasn't really pushed much off this low here yet. Looks like SPI moving too. Okay, looks like all these are starting to move off of the CBAT news. I actually borrowed some of SGBX as well. I missed this entry. If we ever get another entry, I will take it. If not, then I just lost my borrows. That's okay. CBAT is the one I'm currently in. I took a starter into this, push here actually. But then the news came out and it squeezed, all in one candle. So, that's why you got to take starters, because if you were in full size, you are down, over $1. That would be very scary. But because I'm only in a starter, I'm able to add up here. And because this trade I still have very good conviction in, because it's still in my plan, because if it had gone here at the open, then I still would be taking it. So yeah, I would say that right now this could be a very good entry, but you want to be careful because they did come with news. So I'm still kind of cautious on this one, you know. TAT, same thing. I don't have any levels drawn out, but you can see that the levels are, I would say $6 is where I would want to take an entry. Now the other ones that I was very interested in and I was very excited for were Carve, BYFC, UONEK, and UONE. If we look at the dailies, these are huge previous runners, and on Friday into the close, all these ran really hard. So I was thinking that we could gap and then run into the resistance here on the daily, which would have been very ideal. But now that they're kind of faded off, I'm thinking that they probably don't have any more momentum. And at this point, you know, I don't want to really short Carve at, you know, $6 and try to take it down to, you know, 580s. Like, you know, that's nothing. So same with BYFC, UONEK, and UONE. You know, if we get more range and if they keep running, then we'll see. But as of right now, you know, these are kind of dead to me so far. So now on to gappers. Let's see if there's anything new. AMBO popped up. I did not see that. Looks like it's a, I don't know what it is, but so far I don't really like it. I don't really care much about it. There's no real volume weighted resistance except this day, which was 10 million, which is nothing in this market. Good stuff. You know, could be a good, you know, short 350s, you know, $4. But for me, not really interested until I actually see confirmed backside. But I'm not taking it pre-market yet. So the ones I am interested in, and OXBR just keeps going lower, is this OXBR. Look at the daily, previous gap and crap on, you know, good volume, decent volume back here on this day, ran and failed and gave it all back. Let's see, yeah, so that's all the action this kind of, I guess, had. But what I'm looking for, because this chart is done, it's failed, so any kind of pop into VWAP at the open would be ideal. That's where I was short into. WWR was not up enough for me, but I have it on watch. If we can kind of get a runner from it and squeeze into the threes, high twos, then I would take a starter, or probably not even starter, probably going more than just a starter. But I'm looking for a push to high twos. PLM, not up enough. Daily chart, it's like right at its consolidation support, so don't really care about it yet. So if you're looking for a couple swing ideas, Workhorse is one of them. I'm thinking that, you know, this tops out here, you know, 26s, 27s, and then you can get a fade back to, you know, 22s maybe, and then probably even lower, hopefully, in long term, back down 15 or something. So that'd be nice, but that's just a swing idea. Same with T-Con, nice little bounce. Could this is a big pump. I'm not really sure if this is gonna keep going or not. You just kind of have to wait to see what it does. Okay, so that's all I got for right now. Let's see how my CBAT is doing, as well as SGBX. SGBX will probably take a little bit more here soon. CBAT coming down a little bit, holding VWAP though. Okay, any more questions? I'll give it 30 seconds for anybody to ask anything, and then I'm going to sign off. Alright guys, thanks for watching the pre-market live. Just here every morning, 6, or I guess I'm on East Coast time, so 9:05 till 9:15 usually. I'll go longer, you know, if I take longer, but shooting for about 10 minutes. AMBO, Travis. Yes, I went over that. I don't know if you were in or not when I went over that one, but I can quickly go over it again. So, wait, oh, I think you're just alerting that it went into the levels. Ooh, there you go. Nice. Hey, nice eye on that one. I'm tempted. Travis, I am tempted. Shoot. I don't know, man. I did say that I wanted it in these levels, but I did not expect this to push. See, the thing is, what I'm gonna do is, this is nice, but I want to see this top out first. That's a tough decision. I'm gonna wait a little bit, but I am tempted on this one. Good eye. Hey, what's up, Schneider's Garage? Yeah, see, this one keeps going. Look, if I took this at 380, then like I'd be down right now. I'm gonna take a starter. Unless it drops on me, then I won't. But all right, I took a starter here. Well, there you guys see a live trade, I guess. This is just a starter. Remember, I'm not in full size. I'm expecting this to go higher. If it doesn't go higher and confirms that it's pulled back and backside, then I'll add. But yeah, okay. Do you swing low floaters, Julian? I sometimes. Honestly, it all depends on the setup. What I'm looking for a swing short would be if, you know, on the bounce of a backside of a move. So I would be swinging something like, you know, any of these Sundial View, PEC, SPI, Pola, you know, on these bounce days. Then I'd be swinging those. I'm not really looking to swing something that's like, you know, kind of grinding slowly. I'm not really looking to swing that. It has to have like a huge run on blowout volume, overextension, parabolic move, backside, bounce, short the bounce, and then take that down low. What kind of size when you do? It depends on the setup. If it was a you know, a runner on like 200 mil volume, low float, and it's, you know, already, you know, had its drop, it had its first red day, second red day, and now it's bouncing. I don't know. I'll take I don't know, $20,000-$30,000 maybe. Looks like I might add some on AMBO. Just added AMBO. All right, guys. Yeah, you guys you saw me in AMBO. Let's you know, this is still front side, so this can definitely still keep going. Obviously now it's over, you know, it's over this resistance. Let's just see what it does here. But okay. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. I'll see you guys later.